Why Shakespeare still matters today. William Shakespeare, the bird of Avon, remains one of the most influential figures in literature and culture, even more than 400 years after his death. His works, encompassing plays, sonnets, and poems, continue to captivate audiences, inspire artists, and shape our understanding of language and storytelling. There are some key reasons why Shakespeare still matters today. First, I will discuss Shakespeare's enduring influence on language. Shakespeare's creative genius enriched the English language in ways that remain evident today. He is credited with coining or popularizing over 1,700 words and phrases, many of which are still in use today. Expressions like break the ice, heart of gold, and wild goose chase originated from his works. These phrases have become so ingrained in modern English that we often use them without realizing their Shakespearean origins. His inventive use of language not only expanded vocabulary but also demonstrated the power of words to evoke emotions, paint vivid imagery, and convey complex ideas. Second, I will highlight timeless themes and human nature. At the heart of Shakespeare's enduring appeal are the universal themes he explored. His plays delve into the complexities of love, ambitions, power, jealousy, identity, and morality. Works like Romeo and Juliet examine the transcendent and tragic nature of love, while Macbeth dissects unchecked ambition and its consequences. These themes resonate across cultures and eras because they reflect fundamental aspects of the human experience. Shakespeare's characters are multidimensional and relatable, making his stories as relevant today as they were in the 16th century. Third, I will discuss on his impact on storytelling. Shakespeare's influence extends far beyond literature. His narrative structures, character archetypes, and dramatic uh, techniques have shaped modern storytelling in profound ways. Countless movies, books, and plays borrow from his plots or reinterpret his works. For example, Disney's The Lion King draws heavily from Hamlet, while West Side Story reimagines Romeo and Juliet in a modern setting. These adaptations prove the timelessness and versatility of his stories, which continue to inspire new generations of creators. Fourth, I will discuss on relevance in education and society. Shakespeare remains a cornerstone of education worldwide. Studying his works teaches critical things, empathy, and an appreciation for language. His plays are performed in schools, theaters, and festivals, fostering a sense of community and cultural heritage. Shakespeare's ability to address societal issues such as prejudice in The Merchant of Venice or the abuse of power in Julius Caesar, makes his works a valuable tool for understanding and critiquing the world we live in. Next, I will finally highlight his cultural and global impact. Shakespeare's influence transcends borders. His works have been translated into every major language and performed in diverse cultural contexts, from traditional stagings in the globe theater to innovative adaptations in Bollywood. Shakespeare's stories resonate universally. His ability to bridge cultural divides underscores the shared humanity that connects us all. Finally, I will conclude by saying his language, themes, and storytelling have left an indelible uh, mark on literature. So his storytelling have left an indelible mark on literature, culture, and society. His works remind us of the power of words, the complexity of human nature, and enduring relevance of great art. As we navigate the challenges of the modern world, Shakespeare's insights continue to illuminate the human condition, proving that his legacy is not just a relic of the past, but a living force in our present and future. Thank you.